that huge air conditioner having revisited. I was starting off with all these. It looks like this airflow is the only one running this time. Thought something just turned on. That's not. This is from 2014. What year is this? From 2018. This is brand new. 2022. There's two in the serial number. The Scorpion isn't running. These air conditioners will get turned off soon. Since it is now fall, I don't really get it. My guess might be 2014. My guess is that I thought the data sheet was worn out, but I'm not sure that's actually the data sheet. It was not, but it's really dirty. It looks like April of 1994. What is this? None of these are even running. Yeah, there's old 1980s Lennox. It also says manufactured at 51. But I think this is from like 1981 or 1991. Yeah, this filthy Lennox. I thought it was from 2010, but apparently it's actually from 2009. Probably won't be able to clean off the data sheet. This Carriotech 2000 is from 1994. I thought it was from 2003. And train executive. I think this is from 1984. I think. I don't want to check the data sheet of these two because we're probably just gonna scare me. If either one of these turn on. This is from my guess is probably 2003, because that's what I saw on the serial number. Look at skin. Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to I think this is from 2008. Yeah, the Lennox is still very filthy. This is an old disconnect box. That one's locked. That one is also locked. This one is not. Oh, it's just a switch. That is weird. Got an actual circuit breaker. Perhaps something else. What's going on? Oh! I thought I just heard something else tuna. Oh, there's Guardian tuna. That sounds nice. Gonna go to all those air conditioners now. Okay. There may or may not be security cameras watching. None of these are actually on. Not even the Gibson that was on last time I was here. 2008, like I remembered. But now I might be in the mood to see when the heck this was manufactured. Oh, yeah. I think 2012. Or maybe 2002. I have no clue. I think that's a Copeland scroll. Then this Duquesne from 2020. Train XR moved to, my guess is like 2013, if I remember correctly. Nope, 2015. Train XR11. Oh, this is Milstar. Heating and cooling. Nice. A Milstar logo. Where's the data? Oh, here it is. It doesn't even. Oh, wait. I think this is from 2019. It's an air conditioner reveal that we can't even go to. None of the air conditioners here are running. Yeah, most of the air conditioners, I don't think air conditioners are even running now. My guess is 2007. I'm not even 100% sure. This big Lennox is from 2021. And of course, it's Heritage. Heritage 10 from 1994, I believe. 2014. What was this from? 2002, I believe. This is a heat pump, so it probably won't actually be running in the winter, to be honest. 1998. We couldn't we won't be able to film all the air conditioners at the condo today. Like, we gotta get going.